Sean.
What is good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Fa5 got the fresh cut. I'm off today. It's Friday. I have off until Tuesday. Oh, it's lit. It's crazy because every time around this year, right? Today, around this time, every year, I've been going to Florida for Simply Clean. Obviously, they moved Simply Clean back. I think it's like November 29th, I believe. So it feels weird not being in Florida right now. I'm over here killing myself in this cold ass weather. But about to go meet up with my boy Delon because I need his help putting this trunk on. As you guys can see, I have the JDM trunk in the rear of the car right now, which is pretty lit. I can't wait to put it on. I'm super excited. I also got some new stuff coming for the car that you guys don't know about just yet, so you guys gotta stay tuned. Also, if you guys don't know, when I hit 30, when I do 30,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away the vlog camera that I'm using right now, that you see me using right now, that you're watching on right now. I'm going to be giving it away to you guys, to one of you guys. So I'm going to need you guys right now to go turn on my post notification bell. All right, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. I need you guys to like these videos, because that is how I gain traction, and I need you guys' help to gain traction. All right, now let's get on our day. Let's start it. Let's go meet up with Delon. I'll catch you guys when I'm there. So this is the S side that I was able to get all my parts off of. They still have this carbon fiber bonnet. Couple pieces. I got the trunk from off of this car. Alright, so today we're gonna be working on getting this JDM trunk onto the SI. I don't know if I'm gonna do this today, but you know when you do the tail lights, you have to cut out the body panel. If you look at the top one here, it's gonna be hard to see it, but if you look at the top one up there, you can see that the tail light is cut out, like there's a cutout for it. So you have to do that on the SI too. Well, this is my SI, so that way the JDM tails fit, because the prongs are in different spots. And you also have to cut out a middle piece. It sounds complicated, but I've done it twice and I haven't had an issue, so it's not terrible. Alright, good. Don't drill it like that. Huh? Don't go ham with it? Yeah.
You should have taken it more. He's probably going to charge you $100 to clear it. You don't charge a lot for like.
I didn't know how long you want to take.
I
can always do that still.
Yeah, you can always do that. It'll no matter what. It'll probably be easier for him to get the thing off. Yeah.
But right now, I just
Yeah, you just want it on. Yeah, you just want it. Yeah, after that, it looks pretty man.
I mean, I got rid of the little ashiness that was at the bottom.
Oh yeah. All you have to do is wet sand it.
I might still wet sand it again.
I would wet sand it. I would wet sand it very clearly. I mean very clearly. I would wet sand it like this, this. If you want, bring it here today. We'll wet sand it, and then I'll buff it for you, and we'll see how it comes out. Like right here is the drip ice.
Yeah. So like the way I did it real light. But I don't know, because I got the one that had like the UV protection on it, the clear.
Oh, okay.
They said it was like one of the best ones, so I was like, alright, I'm gonna just try it.
Nah, it's always good when you. It's my shot. I don't know, whatever. They have to be better.
Yeah, they got like a different like type of.
Yeah, their shit is more fun.
They got that blue shit. They clear coat be blue. I don't think the bumper is that hard to take off though.
No.
Well, obviously it's not because I've done it, but. Really have to take the whole entire bump? Well, we might.
Nah, just take it out because it's not at the bottom of it.
Okay, yeah, you probably have to just take the screws out from the back of the headlight and then you can pop out.
Yeah, the headlight. Yeah, that's all it needs.
So I'm trying to remember if there was like a screw that had to like bolt it in here, but that's just underneath.
Yeah, no, we'll take because we gave the brackets on there, so we'll
Yeah.
take those. Let me spray that shit real quick.
Alright, tail lights out.
Yo,
Stock tail
we're
one.
going for tomorrow.
Just place it. We gotta cut this middle piece.
Oh, you put an overlay over that shit.
We gotta cut this middle piece. And I think we have to like drill out a hole.
Yeah, let me get the air tool.
New tail going in. So we could do the like I'll cut the middle piece first, and then I guess see where it lines up.
Yeah, just cut that metal piece first. Don't hurt yourself, son. No, yeah, push this shit down here.
This?
Yeah, yeah. Don't let that shit bounce though.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
so we have to cut out the middle piece here, and then what we're gonna do is just trim out this portion of it, so that way the top piece of the tail light can fit flush. Alright, so now everything is cut out. Should be able to just go in, no problems. We already did the other side. And there you go, JDM tails. So I'm gonna bolt it in so that way you guys get a better look at it. Don't mind all the fingerprints, but it's in there. But we're probably gonna have to run to like Lowe's to get a top piece bracket for this right here, because there's nothing to, you know, connect it to. So basically what we did was we trimmed out here, we trimmed out here, we drilled a hole for this piece down here, we drilled a second hole for right here so that way this could slide through. And then basically here we had to like bang out a bit because it was holding the tail light from going in flush all the way. This is pretty flimsy, so you're able to like really pull it, or you can knock it out with like a mallet or something, and you should be good to go. And then we just bolted up here, but like I said, I want to get a bracket for here so that way the top piece is pulled in as much as it can go, and it's also secure. Same thing for this side. It's basically the same, just, you know, flipped, but drilled the extra hole oblong the opening here, and then just made sure that we banged out this piece here, that piece there, so that way the tail light could fit flush. And now the tail light is in, and it looks really good. And like I said, it came from off of this car here that they're parting out, so they still have a couple parts like stock suspension, interior pieces, dash. I think you guys still have the seats, or you sold them? They still have the stock seats. Center console. You guys sold the cluster?
No, we had the cluster too.
Might need that cluster. So they already sold the motor and trans. So yeah, a couple things. I still want to get the carbon fiber bonnet off this thing so that way I could be out here, because obviously the bonnet on my car is not that great, and this one will be a little bit more aggressive.